Did you know that each book in the library has a home? When a book is safe in its home, you will always know where to find it. We are going to learn how to correctly use the shelf marker when you are selecting a library book so that the books will always stay in their home. First, pick up your shelf marker from the checkout desk. Next, walk along the shelves and look at the spines. When you see one you might like, you will slide your shelf marker right next to it. The shelf marker will hold the book's spot while you take a peek. Alright, here's the tricky part. Carefully slide the book out while keeping the shelf marker in its place. You might need to use two hands. Now you get to flip through the book and decide. Is this the book you would like to take home this week? If yes, remove the shelf marker and take the book to the desk. It's time to check out. If no, make sure the spine of your book is facing out as you slide the book back on the shelf right next to the shelf marker. Pull out your shelf marker and keep looking. Your perfect book is waiting to be found.